In this video, I will review the high availability feature of XenServer. With high availability, also referred to as HA, enabled, XenServer will automatically restart your protected VMs in the event of an outage. A minimum of 2 servers is required in your resource pool to enable HA. However, I highly recommend that you use at least 3 hosts. In this demonstration, I will be using 2 hosts. To prepare for this step, I had my storage admin provision an iSCSI LUN with 2 GB of storage to use as an HA heartbeat. I will now need to connect to this storage repository. In XenCenter, I will click on the New Storage button and follow the wizard to create a new software iSCSI connection. It is important to note which IQN and LUN to use for this connection. Once the IQN and LUN have been discovered, XenServer will establish the connection. Now I am ready to enable HA in my pool. On the pool level, I will go to the HA tab. I will then click on the Enable HA button to start the HA wizard. Using the wizard, I will select the storage repository I just connected to as my heartbeat SR. In the next step of the wizard, I will configure the VM restart priority for each of my VMs. The 4 choices I have are Restart First, Restart, which is the default, Restart if possible, and Do Not Restart. I will want to consider the use case for each VM to determine its restart priority. For my installation, XenServer has indicated that I have a maximum server failover capacity of 1. This means that if one of my servers should fail, XenServer can no longer guarantee proper high availability. To increase this maximum failover capacity, you can add more servers to your pool, adjust the memory requirements, or the restart priorities of your VMs. To demonstrate what happens in the event of an outage, I will disrupt the network communication on one of the servers in my pool. Once the host is no longer available, XenServer will automatically restart any affected VMs on my other host. I can also see that a system alert has been posted. XenServer will automatically post the notification, which I can view in the System Alerts dialog box. I can also configure XenServer to send me an email. Now that the VM is running on my other host, I can access it using the VM console tab. Even though my virtual machine has failed over, the access and functionality was not affected by the server outage. With HA enabled, you can ensure that in the event of an outage, your virtual machines will fail over with minimal downtime. In the next video, I will configure the virtual machine protection and recovery feature.